Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my morning forecast for the pound US dollar. And also, don't forget to check out my Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So on the daily time frame, my next area of resistance on the pound dollar is definitely still the 78% fib, which is right around the 1.315 area. I do definitely think it's going to hit that. Whether or not it makes a little bit more of a significant pullback before it goes up or not, I guess is the question. But I'm still very, very, very bullish on all the dollar pairs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Because I am definitely very, very, very bullish. Now, a lot of the dollar pairs, especially some of the other pairs, look like this is more like a wave A and this is more like a wave B. So maybe this does end up drifting down throughout the day, maybe even all the way down to below these lows right here to like the 123 and the 138 for wave C. Keep in mind that tonight is FOMC federal funds rate news, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news. So make sure you stop in for that YouTube live stream. But it seems like there's a pretty good chance it's going to stretch out into an ABC correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Probably going to go down and take out this structure right here, do a nice little liquidity grab, and then hopefully continue the uptrend at the FOMC federal funds news. But be very, very careful. I mean, I'm personally not really recommending shorts because it could just go down to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and just continue the uptrend, making more of a running ABC correction, higher high wave B, higher high wave C, and just continue the uptrend. So be very cautious with your shorts. Be very, very bullish on the dollar pairs still. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.